Hi scholars! If you're here, it means you've watched the SOAR video. It's now time to do your practice nearpod for SOAR, but I'm going to go through how to do some of these nearpod activities so that when you begin, you are completely sure about how to do some of these activities. So the first activity that you're going to do is to match pairs. So you're going to match, and you can see the directions here. I'm going to click this arrow. You're going to match the right terms, so either self-control, own actions, accept others, or respect from SOAR with the picture that matches. The next activity is called a collaboration board. Whenever you share your thoughts, so I can type, you can even look up an image, but I could type one way I could show self-control. So I could write voice level 0 in the hallway. Then I'm going to click post, and it's going to show up as a sticky note. Now, as all of you start writing your responses, you're going to be able to see everybody's responses on the collaboration board. If you get to this point and you already see some people's thoughts, try to share something different than what they posted. All right, the next is called an open-ended question. So that means you get to answer however you want. You've got two options here. I asked you to give one way you can own your actions at school. You can either click this button right here and record audio, or you can type into the box and type a response. And then let's see what happens when I record audio. La 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 la. And then I stop. Okay, and then it'll save for me. So you can click next. And now there's another collaboration board. I already showed you that. So you're going to do one more collaboration board, and then the last activity, you get to draw a picture. So it says to draw a picture that shows you showing respect to the school community. So you can draw on it, and you're going to need to click submit for me to see your drawing. Okay, so I just wanted to walk through that. Make sure that before you go to the next thing that you click submit. You might need to click submit for the open-ended question too, and for the draw it. All right, I can't wait to see your great work.